We out here. It's another night. More skids with the boys, hopefully. Pilo's out here in his E46 he got. He's doing a toe plate alignment. It's like 10 o'clock at night after the rain. So yeah, Jeffrey's here. Nice. Cody kicking it. Anthony's on his way. And late as always. Well, yeah, late as always. We'll see what we get into tonight. Anthony showed up, swapped the tires, we go drifting. Do like the body roll like I'm trying to make it do.
Do a handbrake entry.
I know, I'm trying to like not though.
Clutch kick, handbrake. Just do it. You're gonna go park over there instead.
Deafening. Alright, I guess we roll out. We go find some more spots.
Yeah,
we
go hit on them.
Alright, bet. go, boys.
I hit that bitch wide.
Oh,
I hit that bitch wide on that fucking.
Good shit. That was fun. That was like a nice little, like, a lot of turns in a short period of time. I spun out on that first entry across the street. I was like, fuck, 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 and there's no traffic light.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I was wondering where you were.
Yeah, I spun.
Oh, I hit that shit mad wide accidentally.
Yeah.
Coming that big high.
That was good.
That's what's up.
I was like sitting here with the GoPro in my mouth trying to record, like, how do I record and drive? I like, very last minute, it was just like fucking rip it out of the case and like,
That was lit though, bro.
That was good. That was real fucking good. Alright, I guess everybody go? Okay. Well, anyways, that's gonna wrap up our fucking like 3-night long shenanigans, I don't even know, of street drifting and hitting this fucking lot, hitting some street spots with the boys. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. We need to do it more. I know it's what you guys do enjoy, so whatever.
Hi,
We'll make more of it. Hey, Dylan. It's been like 5 months, but we're still out here doing dumb shit, playing in traffic, slowly building our cars. Forgetting cameras, so you only get one point of view through the whole night, maybe 2. But yeah, anyways, that's it. So if you guys enjoyed it, hit the fucking buttons and do the things, and then make sure you guys get out with your friends and go play in traffic. Bye.